Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to understanding about narrative text. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Muhammad Arifatullah from 9.1 Absent 27. Definition of narrative text is a form of writing that tells a story or describes a sequence of events. It often includes character, setting, plot, conflict, and resolution. Element of narrative text. First is character. The people or entities involved in the story. Second is setting. The time and place where the story occurs. Third is plot. The sequence of events that make up the story. Fourth is conflict, the problem or change faced by the characters. And the last is resolution, how the conflict is resolved or concluded. Types of narrative text. First is folk tales, traditional stories passed down orally through generation. Second is legend, story based on real events or people but often embellished with supernatural elements. Third is fables, short story with moral lesson often featuring animals as character. Fourth is myth, stories that explain natural phenomena or the origins of tradition, belief, or cultural practice. Fifth is fantasy, fictional stories set in imaginary world with magical or supernatural elements. And the last is adventure, story centered around exciting and often dangerous journey or quest. Language features or narrative text. Language feature of narrative text. First is past tense. Narrative text is typically written in the past tense to indicate the event have already occurred. Second is describe language. Vivid description help to create a vivid mental image of characters, setting, and event. Third is dialogue. Conversation between characters bring the story to life and reveal their personalities and motivation. And the last is transitional words and phrases like then, next, after that, and finally help to organize the sequence of events. Example of narrative text. First is Cinderella, a folk tale about a young girl who overcomes adversity with the help of a fairy godmother. Second is The Legend of King Arthur, a legend about the mythical king and his knight of the Round Table. Third is The Tortoise and the Hare, a fable that teaches the moral lesson of slow and steady win the race. Conclude. Narrative text is a versatile from the writing that entertains, teaching, and inspires reader through the power of storytelling. By understanding its element and language feature, writers can craft compelling narrative that captivative audience. That's all from me. Telah I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.